Okay, here is a Luxaire central air conditioning unit running. And it is currently on a low ambient kit right now. And it would appear the unit is a little bit frozen up for some reason. This unit's a 4-ton from 2020. Has a broad ocean motor, I believe. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. But yeah, I am currently at the Pizza Ranch complex again. This unit's the only one running right now at this entire complex. Not really sure why it's frozen up. Because it has a low ambient kit. It should be fine for it to be running right now. But yeah, just like a quick video of this unit running. Anyways, thanks for watching.